How are you? Rick here. And Happy New Year. It's good to see you. Listen, I wanted to shoot out a short video to you just because I figured it would be the quickest way for me to kind of explain something I created and something I'm about to roll out to the public, to the bankruptcy lawyer community next week. And I thought before I do, why don't I reach out to my friends and people I actually know, bankruptcy lawyers I know and respect, and give them the opportunity to get involved with this if they want to first, and then I'm going to roll it out next week sometime after that. So that's why you're here. Hey, I can't see you, but it's great to be seen. And some of you I haven't talked to in a while, and it's just things are good. I hope you had a great holiday. Happy New Year. And let me give you a little background of what I'm going to share with you. Basically, I created a lead generation system specifically for bankruptcy attorneys that's kind of like triage. It's kind of meant to stop the bleeding and get immediate lead generation. And before explain it to you, and I'll explain it very briefly, I'll keep this short as possible. I want to give you the background as to why I created it. As you know, when I left the practice of law about 4 years ago, I became a consultant for other attorneys around the country doing their marketing. And I've been away from the bankruptcy niche for a while, which was my area of practice, as you know. And I talked to two lawyers in the last month. One has a male attorney, been in practice about 5 or 6 years, said this time next year I probably won't be practicing. I was like, wow, that's a lot of work for nothing. Anyway, the other attorney I spoke with was a lawyer up north, married to a friend of mine I went to high school with, who contacted me, and she's been practicing bankruptcy law for 23 years, has represented trustees like I did, and between her and her partner, hasn't paid herself in a year and a half, and basically can barely afford to keep the doors open on their office. And I was like, wow. I mean, that is sad. That is sad. And so I thought to myself, okay, look, what can I do? What can I do to help? If these lawyers are any indication of other bankruptcy lawyers that I know who are maybe took it on the chin last year and they're looking for a way to get some momentum going into Chapter 7 season or tax season, then I'm going to do it. So what I did was I created a bankruptcy lawyer lead funnel, a marketing funnel that basically is the ticket to getting clients. And the page you're on right now is basically the landing page, and we're going to make some tweaks to it, I'm sure, before we launch it next week. But it's basically ready, and it'll be a different video, obviously, on the page. But I designed this to remind everybody that you really have to take action if you want to change things in your practice. And listening to these stories of these bankruptcy lawyers, I was so saddened by their inability to really, not only, I mean, they were struggling, let alone thriving. I mean, they were barely making it. So I have created what I think is a fantastic lead magnet. We've tested it. It's something debtors want. It's mid funnel to where they've already made the decision to file, and this attracts them in, gets them on board as a lead, and it includes landing pages, a short little video I need from you can do on your iPhone that I'll guide you through exactly how to do it and what we need. I have also drafted a 4,000 word bankruptcy, the ultimate bankruptcy guide that explains bankruptcy to consumers. It's available as another download in the funnel. We do email follow-up sequencing with those, as well as retargeting ads. So what we've done is basically put together an awesome lead generation system to stop the bleeding, get clients in right away. Now, to help struggling attorneys and to really give an incentive, what I've done is we've cut our fee in half for the first month. So basically, for the cost of a Chapter 7 case or a fee, including roughly about $400 in ad spend, we're going to get you clients. And so that the next month we go back to our regular bottom fee, which is $1,500 a month to manage, create, and supervise campaigns including landing pages and video and other things that we do. So anyway, listen, if you're good on your marketing, that's great. I'm happy for you. You know, we've tested this thing. It works. It's great. And I thought, you know, before I launch it to the public, to people I don't know, why don't I offer it to people I do know? So if you're interested and that will help your practice, or you want to talk about it, just click the button below here to call me, or click the button to schedule a call, or just click on the number right here to actually give me a call, and let's get rocking. So listen, even if we don't work with you, that's fine. You know, like I said, I'm sending this to you because I care about you and I know you. So if not, great. Have a great year. Hopefully I will see you soon and talk to you soon. And but if you are interested, give a click or give a call, and let's get this going. All right. Take care.